In this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF into the Google Sheets. First, open your browser and go to Google Sheets. Before we move into Sheets, we'll use Google Drive to upload and convert the PDF. Go to Google Drive and click the New button on the top left, then select File Upload. Choose the PDF file from your computer and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, right-click on the PDF and choose Open With, then select Google Docs. Google Docs will automatically try to convert the PDF into editable text. After the file opens in Google Docs, review the content carefully. If your PDF contains tables, they may already be converted into a format that looks like a table. However, some formatting might not be perfect, so you may need to clean it up slightly. Now, to move this data into Google Sheets, simply copy the table or data from Google Docs. Then go back to Google Sheets. Open a new or existing spreadsheet and paste the data into the sheet. Google Sheets will automatically place the data into rows and columns, allowing you to work with it like a normal spreadsheet. If your PDF is mainly tabular data, this method works quite well. But if the formatting is complex, you may need to adjust columns, fix alignment, or remove extra spaces after pasting. This is a simple and free way to convert a PDF into a spreadsheet using Google's built-in tools, without needing any additional software. So that's how to convert a PDF into Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.